Stick around to the end. It'll be worth it. Going for the wow factor. I've made a square frame on my assembly table. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to lay up each of the 3 leg sections. I squared up my cross member. I'm going to... Hey, you little booger. So 22 3/4 would be 11 3/8 from the edge to the center. But I need to notch out for this to recess this. I'll split half of this distance to make this surface flush with this top. It's 16.5 long point to long point. So I cut a bunch of extra of these, and it was a good thing because I had some of them split on me. Patches 1x4 and 1x6 dimensional lumber that you can get in the store. So I used spacers, though it's actually a little thinner than the 3/4 inches. So I made these shims to level everything up. And then I spaced it. I drilled the outside edges, just worked my way down. And then I'll drill these and then sink my screws. So I've already drilled the holes. Set your torque on these. Sidewall slant panels are done. The final version did not have the white oak at the top. I was experimenting here. Let me know if you think it looks better with the white oak at the top or at the bottom of the channel. Trying to shore this up. It may be overkill, I don't know, but I cut some 46-degree blocks, and these are white oak, same thickness as these, so I made it with offcuts. Like every freestyle project, the further you get along, the more ideas you come up with. I was planning on running those, I was planning on running those down that side because this is at an angle here. I want to kind of beef this up a little bit. So I just 45'd off the end. I'm going to run one of these on all 6 posts. Just like that. I've been wanting to use some big old fancy brass fittings. And guess what? That is the perfect place for it. So I'm going to drill and put some of those in there. But it is going to be bad to the bone, I'm telling you. Stick around. Use it. You can see there where I just scribed the line, and now I'm going to go cut and build in. Okay, so I've cut both of these bottom pieces. Show you how I line this up like that. Now, I'm gonna cut the other one, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go with this live edge top portion. So I glued these two together. That's what we're looking at. And that's how I clamped them up. All right, so I glued these on. I'm using shim clamps. There you go. Got them all clamped up. I'm pulling out the grinder. I'm gonna carve these corners. I'm gonna do that to the other two corners. This is rough, it's close, but I'm gonna sand it by hand at the end. I'll spare you the other two. Here. Well, there's the red cedar and white oak raised garden bed. I just put one coat of spar urethane using a foam applicator. I'm gonna do a few more coats, but I'm gonna go ahead and release this video because I need to buy more. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.